Let's see how to have Microsoft Word read your text aloud. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that instead of reading the document, you would like Microsoft Word to read the document to you. And so what you can do is use Microsoft Word's voice function, and you can access that in the review tab. So first, head on over to the review tab. And from here, you can either select text that you want to read, or you can have the entire document read to you. And you should see the read aloud option under the speech booth in the review tab. So let's go ahead and try that out. Let's highlight this first paragraph right here and have Microsoft Word read it aloud.
Video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click Online Video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type a keyword to search online for the video that best fits your document.
And as you can see, Microsoft Word automatically reads your selected text word for word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.